Namaste, welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today we will be learning Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. Before we start with the Vaidyanatha Ashtakam, here is the pronunciation guide. If you are a first comer, please do listen to the pronunciation guide. If you already know the pronunciation guide, then you can skip to the Stotram. So here, if you find the letter which is in a bold, make sure that you will stress the letter. If you find a line on the top of a letter, make sure that you will extend like A, E, U. Then if you find the letter N and L in a capital, make sure your tongue tip will touch upper palate of the mouth. If you find the letter S in a capital, make sure that you have a slight opening in your mouth when you pronounce the letter sh. So it's the pronunciation of a sh. So now let's start with the Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. You can see the lyrics on the side of the video. You can read it from here. Or you can also, if you have already the book Vaidyanatha Ashtakam, you can follow that. If you have any other sources of a different language, even you can follow that as well. We'll start with the first stanza of a Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. Vaidyanatha refers to the god Lord Shiva, who is in the form of a doctor. The one who gives a medicine and who heals everything, that is a Vaidyanatha. Ashtakam here refers to the Ashta, refers to the 8. So this is the 8th stanza composition. We are looking into the Stotram. We'll start with the first stanza. Shri Rama Saumitri Jatayu Veda Shadana, you can find yes in a capital. Shadana Naditya Shadana Naditya Kujarchi Taya Shri Neela Kantaya Thastras Daya Mayaya Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. In Vaidyanatha, make sure you will stress the letter Tha. The fourth line remains same in every stanza. We'll recite once again the first stanza with the tune. I'll take it at the end. Shri Rama Saumitri Jatayu Veda Shadana Naditya Kujarchitaya Shri Neela Kantaya Dayamayaya Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. Here we complete the first stanza. We'll go with the second stanza. Ganga Pravahendu. Ganga extension Pravahendu. Jatadharaya Dhastras Trilochanaya Smara Kala Hantre Samasta Devairabhi Bhistras Pujitaya. Fourth line remains same, so we'll skip the fourth line, we'll recite from the beginning. Ganga Pravahendu Jatadharaya Trilochanaya Smara Kalahantre Samasta Devairabhi Pujitaya Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. Here we complete the second stanza. We'll go with the third stanza. Bhakta Priyaya. Bhakta Priyaya Bhastras Tripurantakaya. Tripurantakaya Pinakine Dushta, yes capital, Haraya Dushta Haraya Nityam Pratyaksha Leelaya Manushya Loke Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. We'll repeat from the beginning. Bhakta Priyaya Tripurantakaya Pinakine Dushta Haraya Nityam Pratyaksha Leelaya Manushya Loke Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. Here we complete the third stanza. We'll go with the fourth one. Prabhuta Vatadi Bhustras Prabhuta Vatadi Samasta Roga. Roga is a disease. Samasta Roga प्रनाशकर्त्रे प्रनाशकर्त्रे मुनिवन्दिताय मुनिवन्दिताय प्रभाकरेन्द्वग्नि प्रभाकरेन्द्वग्नि प्रभा stress प्रभाकरेन्द्वग्नि विलोचनाय. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat from the beginning. प्रभूतवातादि समस्तरोग प्रनाशकर्त्रे मुनिवन्दिताय प्रभाकरेन्द्वग्नि विलोचनाय श्री वैद्यनाथाय नमः शिवाय. Here we complete the fourth stanza. We'll go for the fifth stanza. Vak shrotra shror vak shrotra shrotra netrangri ghi stress netrangri vihina jantoho vak shrotra netrangri vihina jantoho. Again repeat the same thing. Vak shrotra netrangri sukha pradaya sukha ka stress sukha pradaya kushtadi sh s capital kushtadi sarvonnata sarvonnata n repeated twice give a slight stress roga hantre. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat from the beginning. Vak shrotra netrangri vihina jantoho vak shrotra netrangri sukha pradaya kushtadi sarvonnata roga hantre Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya. So here we complete the fifth stanza. We'll go with the sixth one. Vedanta Vedyaya Vedanta Vedyaya Jaganmayaya Jaganmayaya Yogishwara Dhyeya Yogishwara Dhyeya Padambujaya Trimurti Rupaya Sahasra Namne Namne Trimurti Rupaya Sahasra Namne. Fourth line remains same. We'll say it from the beginning. Vedanta Vedyaya Jaganmayaya Yogishwara Dhyeya Padambujaya Trimurti Rupaya Sahasra Namne Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya. Here we complete the sixth stanza. We'll go with the seventh one. Swatirtha tha stress mrid bhasma So in bhasma make sure b bha is a stress. Swatirtha mrid bhasma britanga bhristress bhajam bhastress. Swatirtha mrid bhasma bhritanga bhajam pishacha dukkha kha stress pishacha dukkharti bhaya pahaya. Bhaya is a fear, bha is a stress. Atma swarupaya sharira bhajam bha stress. Fourth line remains the same. We'll repeat from the beginning. Swatirtha mrid bhasma britanga bhajam pishacha dukkharti bhaya pahaya atma swarupaya sharira bhajam Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya. Here we complete the seventh stanza. We'll go with the eighth stanza. Shri Neela Kanthaya tha stress Vrishadvajaya dva stress Vrishadvajaya Srakganda Bhasmadya bhastress Bhasmadyabi Shobhitaya bhi stress स्रक् गन्ध भस्माद्यभि शोभिताय सुपुत्र दारादि सुभाग्यदाय subhagya bhastress subhagyadaya. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat from the beginning. Shri Neelakanthaya Vrishadvajaya Sragandha Basmadhyabhi Shobhitaya Suputra Daradi Subhagyadaya Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya. So here we complete the till 8th stanza Ashtakam, but the 9th one we have is a Phalashruti which talk about the benefits of the stotram. Balambikesha Vaidyesha Bhavaroga Bhastres Hareti Cha Japen Nama, Yen repeated twice, give a slight stress. Japen Nama Trayam Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam. The one who recite this 3 times in a day, so they will get cured from all kind of diseases. That is the meaning actually, the benefit here. Balambikesha Vaidyesha Bhavaroga Hareti Cha Japen Namatrayam, Trayam is a 3, Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam. At the end you would say Iti Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. At the beginning, in the beginning you can say Atha Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. So we'll say it with the tune. I'll take it slowly. Try to follow. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Shri Rama Saumitri Jatayuveda Shadananaditya Kujarchitaya Shri Neelakanthaya Dayamayaya Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya Ganga Pravahendu Jatadharaya Trilochanaya Smarakalahantre Samasta Devairabhi Pujitaya Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya Bhakta Priyaya Tripurantakaya Pinakine Dushtaharaya Nityam Pratyakshalilaya Manushyaloke Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya Prabhutavatadi Samastaroga Pranashakatre Munivanditaya Prabhakarindvagni Vilochanaya Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya Vakshrotra Netrangri Vihina Jantoho Vakshrotra Netrangri Sukapradaya Kushtadi Sarvonnata Rogahantre Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya Vedanta Vedyaya Jaganmayaya Yogeshwaradhyeya Padambujaya Trimurti Rupaya Sahasranamne Shri Vaidyanathaya Namah Shivaya Swatirtha Mrudbhasma Bhrutanga Bhajam पिशाच दुःखार्तिभयापहाय आत्मस्वरूपाय शरीरभाजाम् श्रीवैद्यनाथाय नमः शिवाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय स्रग्गन्धभस्माद्यभिशोभिताय सुपुत्रदारादि सुभाग्यदाय श्रीवैद्यनाथाय नमः शिवाय बालाम्बिकेश वैद्येश भवरोगहरेति च जपेन्नामत्रयं नित्यं महारोगनिवारणम् श्रीवैद्यनाथाय नमः शिवाय इति श्रीवैद्यनाथ अष्टकं सम्पूर्णम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So here we complete the Vaidyanath Ashtakam. If you have any doubt, any concerns, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you wish to send me your video, make sure that you can send it to my Instagram ID, which has the same name, Shloka Chant with Issue. You can send it there for my Instagram ID for any kind of corrections. So see you in the next Stotram. Thank you so much. Namaste.